So here's a high-level overview of the consolidation feature in Sage Intacct Construction. So you can do consolidations two different ways. You can do an automated consolidation where the elimination entries are created for you, or you can manually eliminate those entries by creating journal entries into an elimination entry on your own. Okay, so the elimination entity, if you're going to set it up manually, you'll come into your company entities and you'll set up an elimination entity manually. You can call it something like elim, and you've got your elimination entity set up. Okay. Otherwise, when you set up your consolidation setup in your books here, if you buy the consolidation feature, your elimination entity will be set up automatically for you. Okay, so you've got your elimination entity here. In this specific book setup here, you're going to tell your entities what entities you want to consolidate. You also have your elimination accounts that you will also be automatically creating elimination entries through. Okay, so you've got your balance sheet and your income statement elimination accounts set up here. Okay, so a quick high-level overview of the setup with the automated consolidation feature that you can purchase. Okay, so once you do some setup there, you create a financial report that's consolidating or consolidated here in financial reporting. Your balance sheet can be set up to look something like this, or income statement. So you've got your entities, you've got your elimination entity. Your due to, due from accounts will be eliminated automatically if you use the domestic consolidation feature. And your balance sheet could look something like this. Okay, so the ease of running the consolidation is done here in the run consolidation. You check mark the month that you're in, what you want to eliminate and consolidate. And I have just completed the elimination entries and the consolidation for January of 22. So depending on the number of entities you have and how many entries you have to eliminate, that is how quick it can run. Okay. You can reconsolidate. You can, if you make entries after you've already run consolidation. So it's a very slick process on consolidating automatically in Sage Intacct Construction. Now, if you decide not to buy the consolidation feature, you can come into your general ledger and make journal entries to that elimination entity to eliminate out these due to, due from, and your income statement accounts. Okay, so you can manually do consolidation without buying that, but you can also just run the consolidation feature if you purchase it here, and those will be created for you automatically as shown. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Banger. Thank you.